It's like, oh, that sounds like fun. Let's work on some goldfish stuff a little bit. So which goldfish did you like better, that one or this one?
Oh, whichever one really needs better maybe.
Know what any of that stuff means. Isaac will ask me, I'm like, dude, I have no idea. I don't, like, I'm gonna tell you I want you to play football so you'll rebel against me and not play football, but I really don't want you playing football. But you can play football, just go rebel. If you do play football, I'll show up wearing a clown suit to every one of your games though. So you won't want to play. I'll keep getting a concussion.